Dear students, we will learn a sum from exercise 1.1. Please refer NCERT book, page number 7, exercise 1.1, a statement sum. Sum number 5. Actually, you have to give more importance to these type of sums. These type of questions are repeated 4-mark questions. Okay, I'll explain the sum. The sum is use Euclid's division lemma. I wrote it as EDL. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive number is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. First, I'll give explanation for this question. Then we'll go to the proof. Okay. What we have to do? We have to use only Euclid's division lemma. Using this theorem, okay, Euclid division lemma, use this and try to prove cube of any positive number. Let us consider number 2. Its cube will be 8. If you consider number 3, its cube will be 27. Is of the form of 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. I'll give proper explanation for this question first. Before that, we will go through what do you mean by Euclid's division lemma. Euclid is name of a person and this theorem deals with the division theorem. Okay. Let us see the theorem now. Given positive integer a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a is equal to bq plus r. Actually, we learned this theorem in our lower class itself by using some other term. Let us consider a is the dividend, okay, the number which is divided, and b is the divisor, and q is the quotient, r is the remainder. R means remainder, q means quotient, b divisor, a dividend. Here 15 is the dividend. If you divide 15 by 2, the quotient is 7 and the remainder is 1. Now 15 is equal to, what is the relationship between divisor, quotient, dividend and remainder? There is a relationship between these 4 terms. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the relationship between the 4 terms. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. The same thing is said in Euclid's division lemma. What is this theorem? A is equal to BQ plus R. Always the value of A is exactly equal to BQ plus R. What is A? Dividend. What is B? Divisor. What is Q? Quotient. And R is the remainder. And the remainder R will be lesser than B. B is the divisor. If you see the divisor is always lesser than the remainder is always lesser than the divisor. Okay, you have to keep this in mind. The remainder value will always be lesser than the divisor. That's given in this place. Okay, R is lesser than B. Okay, this theorem is called Euclid's division lemma. Using this theorem, that is A is equal to BQ plus R, we have to prove this statement. Okay, now I'll go through that. Now we'll come to the statement. Cube of any positive number is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. What do you mean by it? See, I gave a lot of examples. 2 is a number. Its cube is 8. Now I'll come to 3. 3. If you cube it, what you'll get? 27. 3 cube is 27. If you divide this 27 by 9, the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 0. See here, 27 is equal to 9m plus 3. That means 9 into 3. 27 can be written as 9 into 3 plus 0. 27 is a cube number. If a cube number is divided by 9, the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 0, which is in the form of 9m. The question is cube of. What's the question? Cube of. Now the cube number is 27. If you divide the cube number 27 by 9, it is in the form of 9m. See here, I gave an example 9m. Let us consider the next cube number 64. 3 cube is 27. What is 4 cube? 64. Divide 64 by 9. The quotient is 7 and the remainder is 1. See here, 64 is divided by 9. The quotient is 7 and remainder is 1. It is in the form of 9m plus 1. Okay. Now come to the next number 5. Its cube number is 125. If you divide 125 by 9, the quotient is 13 and the remainder is 8. It is in the form of 9m plus 8. This is the proof part. But the question is, prove this statement only by using Euclid's division lemma. சும்மா நம்ம இஷ்டத்துக்கு 4-5 நம்பர் செலக்ட் பண்ணி ப்ரூஃப்லாம் பண்ணக்கூடாது. கொஸ்டின் பேப்பரில் ப்ராப்பராக சொல்கிறாங்க, யூஸ் யூக்ளியர்ஸ் டிவிஷன் லாமா, யூஸ் த தியரம் அண்ட் தென் ப்ரூவ் இட் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஐ கேவ் அ ப்ராப்பர் எக்ஸாம்பிள். 27 it's a cube number, 64 is a cube number, 125 is a cube number. When any cube number is divided by 9, what is the meaning? Any cube number, when you try to divide it by 9, the remainders are 0, remainder may be 0 or 1 or 8. That's the meaning. If you divide a cube number by 9, the remainder will be 100% 0 or 1 or 8. We have to prove this concept by using Euclid's division lemma. Okay, to understand, I gave this explanation. Don't write these in your exam paper. Okay, now we'll go to the proof. Okay, how to write in the exam. Now let us consider, you have to start like this. Let us consider an arbitrary, arbitrary means randomly chosen positive integer. Here we are talking about only a positive number. Arbitrary positive integer a, such that you are dividing the a number by 3. Okay, when you divide a number by 3, the remainder will be 0, 1, 2. Already we learned the remainder will be lesser than the divisor. Now the number is a, dividend is a. When you divide a number by 3, there are 3 possibilities. 3q plus 0, remainder is 0. Or it may be 3q plus 1. Or it may be 3q plus 2. When a number is divided by 3, there are only 3 possibilities. 3 into some number, 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2, where q is an integer. Okay. Now using this, I am going to prove for cube. Now consider a is equal to 3 cube. Now cube it. What is a cube? 3q whole cube. 3 cube is 27 cube. 9 into 3q square. Now consider this 3q square, nothing but some number. Q is a number. Okay. 3q square is some number. 9 into some number. Therefore cube of this number is in the form of 9m. Come to the second case. What is second case? 3q plus 1. Now this is a number. Okay, a is a number is written in the form 3q plus 1. Now try to cube this. How will you find the cube? Using the basic formula a plus b the whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Already we learned this formula in 9th standard. Try to apply this formula. In the place of a we have 3q and in the place of b we have 1. Now try to apply the formula. What is our a value? 3q. Therefore 3q cube is 27 cube. B value is 1. 1 cube is 1. 3a square b. 3 into 3q the whole square into 1. If you multiply, you will get 27q square. A is 3q, b is 1. That's all. 3 into 3q into 1. You will get 9q. Now, see the 4 terms. Take 1 outside. Okay, in the 1 in the corner. Remaining there are 3 terms with 9 common. Take the 9 common outside. 9 into this bracket plus 1. This bracket is nothing but some number. Let us consider that some number, that integer as m. Therefore, cube of this number is in the form of 9m plus 1. What is the third case? 3q plus 2. Now you have to find cube of this value again by using the same formula. Okay, what's the formula? Already I said, what is a cube? A plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Use the formula again. A cube is 27 cube. What is our b value? 2. Therefore b cube is 8. 3a square b 3. A number is 3q the whole square. B number is 2. Multiply and simplify. You will get this term 54q square plus 36q. Now take 8 outside and keep it separately and all the remaining terms here. In this 3 remaining terms, 9 is common. Take 9 outside. 9 into the remaining values plus 8. The inner bracket is considered to be m. Therefore, it is in the form of 9m plus 8. Now, by using Euclid's division lemma formula itself, we proved cube of any number. When a cube of any number is divided by 9, there are only 3 possibilities. 9 into quotient or 9 into quotient plus 1.
9 into quotient plus 8. What does that mean? When you divide a cube number by 9, the possibilities are remainder may be 0 or 1 or 8. To understand, I gave this explanation. Okay, don't write this in your exam paper. To have the basic idea, I explained this concept. In exam, you have to prove the concept only by using Euclid's division lemma. Please ask your doubts in comment section and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.